Procida is the smallest island in the Bay of Naples and one of Italy's most authentic and colorful destinations. Located near Naples and the larger island of Ischia, Procida offers a quieter and more traditional alternative to its more famous neighbors. The island is best known for its vibrant pastel-colored houses, especially in the picturesque fishing village of Marina Coricella. These tightly packed buildings cascade down toward the sea, creating one of the most iconic views in southern Italy. The harbor is filled with small boats, and the atmosphere remains closely tied to daily life and fishing traditions. At the highest point of the island lies Terra Murata, a historic fortified village with roots dating back to medieval times. From here, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the Bay of Naples, as well as explore narrow streets, old churches, and historic buildings that reflect the island's layered past. Prosida's coastline features a mix of sandy and volcanic beaches, with dark sand and clear waters ideal for swimming. Beaches such as Chiaia and Pozzo Vecchio offer a more relaxed and less crowded experience compared to other Italian coastal destinations. Culturally, Procida has long attracted artists and filmmakers due to its unspoiled beauty and authentic character. It has been used as a filming location for several movies, adding to its quiet fame. Life on the island moves at a slower pace, with an emphasis on local traditions, cuisine, and community. Fresh seafood, simple Mediterranean dishes, and local specialties are central to the experience. Overall, Procida stands out for its vivid colors, peaceful atmosphere, and genuine charm, making it a hidden gem in the Bay of Naples and a unique destination in Italy.